Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to turn this wall into this wall. So the things that you will need are these cooking concepts, that's the brand, foil backsplash wall sticker, and you can find these at the Dollar Tree. So you guys can see the designs that Dollar Tree offers. They have the coffee, the brown pattern one, the gray one that says home is where our family gathers, and this gray and black and white marble looking backsplash. So that's the one I chose because it goes with my theme. So yeah, I bought 6 of them and I have 1 more left. So let me show you how it looks like. So all I did was cut these. As you can see, they're not perfect, but nobody's gonna be like looking at them. And this was a fail over here because this is the first side that I did and I accidentally cut it wrong, but this is what it looked like. But it's okay because I have stuff over here and nobody's gonna be paying attention to that side. But this is what it looks like, guys. Like I said, $6 at Dollar Tree, and this is the packs, what they look like. So yeah, go ahead and check out your Dollar Tree and see which backsplash you can find. And if you're renting, like, you know, this will be a good option for you guys just to add some color to the wall. So this is what it looks like, how it turned out. I am very happy with the results. Alright guys, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Bye.